Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Obviously this video is a voiceover, and that is because the day that I filmed this, my voice was just not cooperating with me. I had kind of a sore throat, so I was like, might as well just do this voiceover style. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this no foundation and no eyeshadow makeup look. It's very quick, it only took about 30 minutes. So yeah, you're going to see me dancing a lot because I couldn't talk, and so I was pretty bored and I was trying to make myself, I don't know, I was trying to have a good time while I did this. So yeah, let's just get started and I will show you guys how I got this very simple, very easy look. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize my face. Well, it's already moisturized here, but what I used is this oil from Mederma. It is their quick dry oil. I really like it for moisturizing, and it also helps even out your skin tone. So yeah, I've been using it recently and I like it a lot. And that's just what the bottle looks like. Even though I'm not wearing any foundation in this look, I still want to fill in my pores, so I'm going in with this primer from Tarte. And I think this step is really important because, especially in looks that are kind of dewy like this, if you are not careful, okay, your pores will snitch on you, okay? In 2 hours, your pores will be telling everyone your business if you do not fill them in. So that's just what I'm doing here. I'm going to tap it in on my cheeks, my forehead, and my nose, and my chin. I really like using this primer for these looks because it fills in your pores really well, but it's not too extremely matte and drying, and it also doesn't like pill up on your skin if you wear it by itself. So yeah, I really enjoy it for looks like this. To give my skin a kind of glow from within, I'm going to be using the Glow Starter Moisturizer by Glam Glow, and I'm applying it on the high points of my cheeks just as you would with like a regular highlighter. So just to set my primer in place, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover Spray. I like doing this for dewy looks because it helps prevent the makeup from like literally sliding off after a few hours. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this Natural Brow Duo by Pixi. First, just taking the side with the pencil, I'm going to be filling in the tails of my brows. This way, the brows still look natural and not like two black rectangles on my face, you know what I mean? Like the Sharpie eyebrows? Yeah, we don't want that. To clean up under the eyebrows, I'm going to be using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. So on days when you don't really have much time, but you still want to put on like a little something, I learned from Wayne Goss to do your eyebrows, mascara, and lips because those are the things that really frame your face. So yeah, there you go, lazy girl life hack. So now going back in with the brow duo, I'm going to take the gel and just set my brow hairs. This gel does have pigment in it, it's not like a clear gel, so I'm focusing most of it on the tail, and then I'm using whatever is left on like the unibrow part. I don't know what this part of your eyebrow is called. Now I'm going to use some eyeshadow primer, but if you think I'm using it for eyeshadow, you are mistaken. I'm actually going to be using it under my eyes to help stop creasing once I put on my concealer, but if that's not an issue for you, you can skip this step. For concealer, I am of course going to be going in with the new Fenty concealers, and if you haven't seen my video on these, I'll link it in the description. I'm going to be using shades 330 and 360 just because 330 by itself is a little bit too light. So 330 is going right under my eyes and 360 is going in between my eyebrows and around my mouth. I'm also going to be applying 360 around 330 just to create this kind of gradient. To blend the concealer that I have on my face, I'm just going to be using this little kind of baby dense brush. So before I blend out my concealer under my eyes, I like to let it sit for a little bit. So here you can see me just wasting time taking a Snapchat, as you do. And just to make sure that the coverage is even on both sides, I like to alternate between eyes and just go back and forth. So here I'm just using my concealer to kind of create the illusion that I'm wearing eyeshadow, even though I'm not. There you go, that's how you catfish. Because I want my concealer to blend right in with my skin, I'm going to be using my foundation brush to create this kind of seamless, I woke up like this effect. You know, even though I woke up looking like Shrek's cousin, no one has to know. Here, I'm just getting extra precise and going in right around my nose with a small brush. And to set my concealer, I'm going in with the Maybelline Loose Setting Powder. It's not too cakey, so it's perfect for days like this. Also using it to set the rest of my face, but just the oily areas, so my forehead and a little bit on my cheeks. Good to do this on light makeup days as well, just because it's easier for bronzer and highlighter to blend over powder rather than over on bare skin. So next, I'm going in with the bronzer Rodeo Drive by Colourpop under my eyes to add some extra dimension, some extra, you know, pow pow. This step is optional, but I just like how it frames the eyes better than mascara alone. And now I'm going to be using the same bronzer to, can you guess, bronze my face. Wow, we love a pop quiz. Yes, girl, that's it. Don't let nobody know you've been eating your emotions. Don't let nobody know that you've been eating Popeye's leftovers for the past 3 days. The next step is to highlight my face, and I'm going to be using this butter highlighter by Physicians Formula. Stuff smells so good, you guys. It's like coconuts, but also popcorn at the same time. I'll be blending it out with my finger. I just find cream highlighters work a lot better this way. Y'all see this glow? Okay. Y'all see this? For my inner corners, I'm going to be taking this Kilowatt highlighter by Fenty Beauty in the color Hustla Baby. And this is a nice trick just to make you look more awake and gives the eyes a nice bright effect without being full glam glittery. Finally, I'm going to drench my skin in the Hangover spray like it is water and I'm in an actual desert and it's either spray my face or drink pee. You know what I mean? To really look like face-tuned in real life, I'm going to be tapping in the spray with my beauty blender. Obviously I have a lot on. Okay, so now I'm just going to be curling my eyelashes, which literally opens up the eyes and makes you look more awake. Usually I hold this curl for anywhere between 30 seconds and a minute, and honestly just kind of chill. And it really helps the curl to last all day the longer that you hold it, so that's what I do. For mascara, I'm going to be using Maneater by Tarte. It's been my absolute favorite lately, and it works really well if you layer it up. I'd say after 2 coats, it can look like you're wearing lashes. So yeah, I really love it. To line my lips, I'm going to be using this liner by Colourpop. She's kind of falling apart, but honestly, aren't we all? It's pretty similar to my lip color, so I just like to use it as a base. And over that lip liner, I'm going to be using the Fenty lip paint in Unbuttoned, which is a super light nude. And with super light colors like this, blending them in with your finger before they dry down can really help with the whole situation. So that's what I'm doing right here. Finally, to top off the lips, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. You guys know this stuff is amazing. And believe it or not, that is actually it for this video. It is super quick and easy, just as promised. What do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I gotta know, do you use foundation every day? Because I know a lot of people who don't even wear foundation at all. So yeah, let me know where you stand on that scale. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!